Una. Hi, Kamal. I'm Lisa Simpson, and I am so happy to be chatting with you.
That's like more like, oh, I love it. I'm going to keep that
Everybody
recording.
wants to go home right now is going, what the hell did they do? Trust me, that actually feels amazing.
Yeah, I'm actually going to record that and keep that forever.
Oh, my God, that's amazing.
My gift to you.
But the Simpsons have made some incredible predictions over the years. The Trump election, smartwatches, Nobel Prize winners. You know, everybody around the world knows about this. Is there like some kind of magic ball in the writer's room? How do you guys keep getting this all the time?
That's what I like to say. Yes, they have a crystal ball in the middle of the table in the writer's room. It's so funny. Now we've predicted so many things. People have started asking us to predict some good things for once, because we've predicted a lot of really terrible things. And I also say, if we're really going to get into the conversation, there are a lot of things we predicted that didn't come true that nobody talks about. So if you're on this long, you're bound to get something right. Let's hope so, anyway.
Yeah, and there's been so many great celebrity appearances on The Simpsons over the years. You had our very own U2 on there one time. So what was it like hanging out with Bono?
Well, he mooned us.
What?
Yes. They were brought in to play themselves and sing a song that I believe was based on a tune of theirs, but we changed the lyrics. And our music director was telling Bono, I'm not even kidding, literally, you're a little pitchy, you're a little flat. And Bono was like, I'm sorry, what? And our music director, who's very exacting, was like, yeah, it's just a little bit off. So Bono, he turned around and mooned him. And we were like, all right then. Anywho, moving on. I mean, what do you do? I don't know.
Oh, no. Well, you know what? There's no sign of The Simpsons Ending. It's just such a loved show. But for you, Yeardley, when that day comes, how are you going to feel about it? Because I know we'll all be devastated, but for you personally...
We'll be crying.
It will be, it'll be a really, really hard day. I don't think you can play a character this long and not have them become a part of you, literally. I often liken it to as though your very best friend has moved away and you're never going to see them again.
Oh.
It'll be really hard. I really, really love Lisa Simpson. I love her like she's a living, breathing, three-dimensional, red-blooded character. I just feel so strongly about her. So that'll be tough.